Hey guys, it's Dimitri here, and in this video we will see, do we actually need coding videos? What is the good side of the coding videos and the bad side of the coding videos? And at the end I will give my personal opinion on this question. You can also write in the comment below what you think about this. But before we jump to our video, if you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and like if you enjoyed this video. Now let's jump to our video. So let's first start with the bad side. Why actually the coding videos are not so good for you. The first thing I want to start is the fake confidence. Sometimes when you watch a lot of coding videos, for example, you want to start with Java or maybe PHP or other language, you start looking at the coding tutorials and you watch 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and like 3 weeks you only watch the coding videos and you didn't write even one line of code. But after these 2-3 weeks you feel confident that you know the basics of this language or semantics of this language, programming language, and you choose to pick one, for example, to make some kind of test of you. Do you actually understand something? You pick one question and then you see you basically don't know anything. I call this fake confidence because with the many tutorials you watch, the less likely you want to start reading the actual code and practice to become actually good at this programming language you choose, but you keep going and going and going with online tutorials. You start feeling that is you actually good at this, but you actually are not. Until you start writing a code, you can't learn the language. The second thing I want to point is that it depends to the person, but sometimes the videos are pretty big, learn C++ in 6 hours. I really don't know how I can sit 6 hours to watch the entire video. Even if I want to split this video on portions, for example, every day I choose to watch this video for 30 minutes, sooner or later I will forget what actually I learned behind. So the best option for me, in my opinion, to prevent this problem to happen is you watch little videos, for example, like 10 minutes videos where they show every aspect of some programming language. Like this, you can go one video, after this practice a little, again another video, practice a little. With 6 hours or more videos, or maybe 3 hours or 4 hours, you don't have the time, because you have to first finish the video and then start to do something, and in the process things can get wrong. I remember I started learn one framework on for example Udemy, and it was 33 hours. I started one time, I watch video after video after video, then maybe around 10 hours in my work I have to step up on the work, and I step back from learning this framework, because basically it was not part of my job, it's just something that I want to learn. And after I get back, I start to try to answer the questions or do some kind of works on this course, but I forgot the pass. So I start again around 15 hours. I have to again go back to my work. Also, other things happen, and again I start from the beginning. So the best way is basically start and learn the basic, and in the process you have to do it by looking the coding tutorials. If it's not part of your day job, it will be really hard to remember everything and to understand everything. And you know, sometimes people get bored and you may throw this work for the 1 week, for example, and when you back, your knowledge will be not the same. And the last thing I want to point about why the coding videos are not that good. Basically, the tutorials is, for example, if I watch one video, for example, how to create maybe product page. In this video, the person who presented, in many cases, from my experience, he write absolutely fast the code. Most of the times, if I'm new, I don't understand absolutely nothing. Why we do this? Why we do that? And at the end, I get the product. I mean, by code, I get the code and the things that I watch. It happen in my text redactor and in my browser, for example, if I do something web by based, but I don't have really knowledge why this happened, and if something in the process go wrong, I don't know how to fix it, because basically I just, it's like copy pasting with some kind of speed tutorials with where you see some things that happen extra fast and you don't know why this happened or why we do that, why we do other things. So that's for the downside. Let's look now why the coding videos are basically good. The first thing I want to start is basically the coding videos are much likely to be consumed. I mean, it's more easy to consume this material when you see it on the coding video. From this, for example, to write it in the book. You can just sit back on your chair and watch the whole coding video, and the person can present you the examples how you can actually do these things. I know in the book you can also see the examples, but in my opinion, from what I learned and what I experienced, for me the videos are better and I learn much more easy from videos from this basically to read one book. Of course, some people like to write books from this to watch videos. I want you to write in the comment section what you prefer on books or videos. The second thing I like in the videos is basically when someone presents some example. I don't say the videos where they type extra fast and you just have to copy what they do. For the education purpose, people who create these videos, normally when they type their code, they at the same time explain why they actually do this. For example, uh, if you want to create one class and you create here the instance of this class. For example, this class have a constructor which have some kind of parameters which you have to insert and so on. You basically see how the code is written and why every step is make it. Like this, you actually see how things can happen. And in this case, it's really good practice to just type the same absolutely sample and try to replicate this example so you can train your mind to basically solve this type of problem that example actually solve. The next thing I want to point about the videos why they are actually good, the coding tutorials, is basically when you watch it and the presenter speak with you, you some kind of get involved with everything and you start feeling a little closer this person who actually create this video, and it's more likely you to invest your time actually learn what this person say. And yeah, I think this is a good point for the videos. And the last thing I want to point is basically the videos. For example, the YouTube videos, normally in the comment section you have some kind of little community. What I mean about this is, for example, you learn how to create HTML page, and you may have experienced some problem of when the person present how to create the footer, for example, of this HTML page. You can write in the comment and normally you get some kind of answer of your questions. So yeah, it's not like books when you can pick and it's only you by yourself. The videos normally have a comment section where you can actually talk with other people and create the small community. So we become to the end of this video. In my opinion, do I like coding videos and coding tutorials? Is absolutely yes. I enjoy making videos for you. I also enjoy watching other people videos to see different points how we can solve some problem or some issue. And like I say, it's much more easy for me from this to write a book, because yeah, I can just throw myself on the chair, put some blanket on me and watch the whole coding video. So I think this will be for this video. I hope you enjoy. If you like it, hit the like button, and if you're new, hit the subscribe button if you enjoy these coding videos. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.